Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be diving into a common programming problem that you might encounter. The issue at hand revolves around a code snippet that triggers a java.lang.IllegalThreadStateException in Java. This error can be quite puzzling, especially when you think you're doing everything right. So, what's causing this problem exactly? Let's get into the solution. The Java doc for Threadfactory's nuthread method clearly states that it constructs a new unstarted thread. This means the thread is in a state of new, according to thread.getState. On the other hand, thread.startVirtualThread creates a virtual thread that starts running immediately, skipping the new state. Since thread_pull_executor checks the state of the thread returned by the factory, an illegal thread state exception is thrown if the thread is not in the expected state. That's the crux of the issue right there. In summary, the key to understanding the illegal thread state exception in this scenario lies in the difference between the thread states created by Threadfactory's nuthread method and Thread's startVirtualThread method. By grasping this distinction, you can troubleshoot and resolve similar issues in your Java code. I hope this clarification has shed some light on this common hiccup in threading. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy coding!